Okay. Another problem asked in Mains 2020 from differentiation. Okay, look at the problem. F and Z are continuous. F circle G is given as identity function. Not only that, G dash of B is 5, G of B is equals to A is also given. Our task is to find F dash of A. We did a few problems, okay, like this in the previous classes. Look here, F circle G is given as identity, so F circle G is equals to I. That in the sense, F circle G of X is equals to identity of X. Is it right? See, F circle G of X is nothing but F of G of X is equals to identity of X is X. Now you just differentiate it. Okay? If you differentiate with respect to X both sides now, what will happen? Just have a look. If we differentiate with respect to X, F of G of X is nothing but F dash of G of X into Z dash of X is equals to 1. Right side X, its derivative with respect to X is 1. Left side F of G of X. For F with respect to F dash of G of X into for G it is G dash of X. Okay. So now you just take, our task is to find F dash of A, right? So we need to make this G of X as A. But given G of B is here, right? So for that take X is equals to B now. If you take X is equals to B, then what happens? Then this becomes F dash of G of B into G dash of B is equals to 1. G of B is A. So it is F dash of A into G dash of B is given as 5 into 5 is equals to 1. So it is very clear that F dash of A is equals to 1 by 5 finally. Okay. So since F circle G is I, F of G of X is X, differentiate it, replace X with B, we will get F dash of A as 1 by 5. Okay. Have a look.